Hello everyone, a very good afternoon to one and all. I am Dr. Deepak Koche, Professor, Department of Botany, Sri Shivaji College of Arts, Commerce and Science, Akola, Maharashtra, and founder member of this online platform Botany for You. As you all know that we had organized a 1 week online induction program for the students of life sciences from 15th to 19th December 2020, and you all have witnessed it by watching the feast provided in the form of videos by different speakers from every corner of India. So, for this induction program, we had total 24 speakers from various sectors. This induction program was divided into 5 sub-themes like education and research opportunities, basic and scope of life science subjects, entrepreneurship development through life sciences, career opportunities through competitive exams, and personality development. The induction program was started on 15th of December with the live session of Dr. Viswas Chauhan from School of Inspirational Living, Pune, Maharashtra. He had talked on basics and opportunities in the biodiversity and biodiversity informatics. Thank you, sir, for your informative and lucid lecture. Thank you very much. The other lectures delivered in this session were of Mr. Mukul Chimote, International Career Counselor and Director, Astute Academy, Nagpur, Maharashtra, and then Dr. Sanjay Khobragade, Department of Electronics, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Technological University, Loner, Maharashtra, and myself. I thank both these speakers for their informative lectures and cooperation during the session. The second day program was Basic and Scope of Life Sciences. In this session, total 5 speakers delivered lectures, namely Dr. Kapil Kamble, Associate Professor, Department of Microbiology, Santa Gadge Baba, Amravati University, Amravati, Dr. P. Jasmine Lena, Assistant Professor, Department of Biochemistry, Prince Sri Venkateshwara College, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Then Dr. Amit Ballani, Assistant Professor, Department of Biotechnology, N.V. Patel College, Vallabh Vidyanagar, Gujarat. Dr. Pitambar Humne, Associate Professor and Head, Department of Botany, Dharampet MP Dev Memorial Science College, Nagpur, Maharashtra. And Dr. Mubin Sultana, Assistant Professor, Department of Zoology, JPAS College of Women, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. All these speakers enlightened the basic and scope of different subjects like botany, zoology, microbiology, biochemistry and biotechnology. I wholeheartedly thanks to all these 5 speakers of the session. On 17th of December, third session of this induction was delivered and the theme was entrepreneurship development through life sciences. In this session, total 5 speakers were delivered their lecture. These were Dr. Vijay Raut, Assistant Professor and Head, Department of Zoology, Tai Golwalkar Mahavidyalaya, Ramtek, Maharashtra. Dr. Vijay Charde, Department of Microbiology, Taiwade College, Koradi, Nagpur, Maharashtra. Dr. Bhuvanendra Rahile, Assistant Professor, Department of Zoology, Science College, Pauni, District Bhandara, Maharashtra. Then Dr. Anjali Patil, Assistant Professor, Department of Botany, Rajaram College, Kolhapur, Maharashtra. And Dr. Ujjwala Lande, Assistant Professor, Department of Zoology, Sri Shivaji College, Akola, Maharashtra. In this session, above speakers have illustrated about sericulture, spirulina cultivation, apiculture, mushroom cultivation, and vermicomposting. I sincerely thanks to all the speakers for providing details of these entrepreneurship related aspects to our life science students. The fourth day session was devoted to career development through competitive exams. In this, again, total 5 speakers give illustrations about how the students how to prepare for different competitive exams after graduation. The speakers for the sessions were Shri Amit Bobde, IRS, Additional Commissioner Income Tax, Pune, Maharashtra. Shri Gajanan Khanande, Department of Sale Tax, Government of Maharashtra. Dr. Suresh Jadhav, a faculty for IAS and Mind Power Trainer, also the founder director of PAAS, Nagpur, Maharashtra. Dr. L.V. Padmarani Rao, Professor, PG Department of English, Yashwant Mahavidyalaya, Nanded, Maharashtra, and Mr. Vishal Raut, Director, Easy Maths Coaching, Akola. These speakers had delivered very illustrative talks on various competitive exams like MPSC, UPSC, banking, railways, and staff selection commission exams, and also about importance of communication skills in career development. I sincerely thanks to all the speakers. On 19th December 2020, this fifth session of the induction program was delivered. This session was about personality development, and total 5 speakers had delivered their lecture on various topics related to personal development. The speakers were Dr. Keshav Walke, Associate Professor and Head, Matru Seva Sangh, Bajaj Nagar, Nagpur, Maharashtra. Dr. Nitin Vigne, Clinical Psychologist, Lakshya Aptitude Center and Counseling Center, Nagpur, Maharashtra. Then Dr. Yugul Rayulu, Retired Head, Department of Vocational Science, Dharampet MP Dev Memorial College, Nagpur, Maharashtra. Then Dr. Nitin Mohor, Assistant Professor, Department of Electronics, Sri Shivaji College, Akola, Maharashtra. And Dr. MX Alfia Tracy, Trainer, Personality Development, Tiruchirappalli, Tamil Nadu. All these speakers' talk was very full of energy and focused on various aspects of personality development. I sincerely thanks to all the speakers for their excellent presentation and cooperation. Friends, I am sure that you enjoy this event and many of these lectures are useful for your career. If you miss out any of these, then visit our YouTube channel, watch, view these, share and like. You will definitely get benefited. Here I thanks to all the founder member of Botany for You, Dr. Pitambar Humne, Dr. Nishikant Vase, Dr. Nitin Lavane, Dr. Tushar Wankhede, and all pioneer members including Dr. Ujjwala Lande, Dr. Rupali Sirsat, Dr. Shubham Rathod, Ms. Pooja Savsakde for their involvement and support to make this event successful. Friends, kindly watch our channel, be with us. Very soon we will uploading the subject content of graduation in botany, zoology, microbiology and biochemistry. So view, like, share and subscribe our channel Botany for You. At the end, thank you everyone. Goodbye.